This shower cap from Dollar Tree for under $2 gave us such peace of mind on our last cruise. We could grab pizza or a burger from guys and enjoy it on our balcony without someone coughing on it, bugs, or spills. And I'm about to reveal 16 other brilliant ideas under $10 that smart cruisers always pack for Embarkation Day. You're going to want to screenshot this one. And if you're new here, we're all about making your cruise experience better without breaking the bank. Now, we've been on a lot of cruises, and we've learned that Embarkation Day can make or break your entire vacation. You're tired, you're excited, you're trying to get settled, and that's when these little items for under $10 become absolute lifesavers. Today I'm sharing 17 things all under $10 that smart cruisers always pack for Embarkation Day. And trust me, your future self will thank you for watching this video. Hacks that save money. Number 1. Plastic shower caps. Okay, starting with my absolute favorite hack, these plastic shower caps from the Dollar Tree are money. Now you're probably thinking, why do I need shower caps on a cruise? You don't, but you know what you do need? Plate covers. You grab food from the buffet or wherever and want to eat on your balcony later? These shower caps fit perfectly on any plate size. I'm talking perfect seal, keeps food safe, and costs literally under $2 instead of paying for room service. But here's the bonus. You also don't have to worry about bugs flying in your plate or people coughing on them while you're trying to get settled in your cabin or on your balcony. This is hands down one of our smartest discoveries. You get protection from the elements, protection from germs, and you save money while getting to enjoy your meal exactly where you want to eat it. Game Changer doesn't even begin to cover it. This is the kind of hack that makes other cruisers ask, why didn't I think of that? Number 2. Ziplock Bags. Next up, gallon-sized Ziplock bags. And let me tell you, this is one of those hidden secrets that really comes through in the clutch. These are so underrated on Embarkation Day and honestly, your entire cruise. Wet swimsuits after your first pool session? Ziplock it. Snacks you brought from home that you want to keep organized? Ziplock it. Toiletries that might leak in your suitcase? Ziplock it. I bring like 20 of these and use every single one, sometimes twice. Here's what most people don't realize. These bags become your best friend in so many unexpected situations. Maybe you buy souvenirs at the port that you want to keep dry, or you need to separate dirty clothes from clean clothes, or you want to organize all those cruise documents and keep them safe. For just a few dollars, you're getting organization, protection, and peace of mind all rolled into one. After all the years of cruising, we've learned that it's these simple, practical items that save the day when you least expect it. Number 3. Waterproof pouches. And speaking of keeping things dry, let's talk about waterproof pouches for your phone. Yes, even on Embarkation Day. You're going to want to take pictures by the pool, maybe capture that first sunset from the deck, and these little pouches mean you never have to worry about splashes or unexpected rain. Plus they float, so even if you drop it, you're good. You definitely don't want to forget this one. Trust me, it can really be costly if you do. We're talking about potentially ruining a phone that costs hundreds of dollars, and trying to replace it or repair it while on a cruise, that's going to be a serious dent in your vacation budget and your peace of mind. For just $5, you're protecting something that probably costs you 20 times that amount. Comfort and survival essentials. Number 4. Portable fan. Now this little portable fan right here, absolute game changer for Embarkation Day. Let me tell you, after years of cruising, we've learned that Embarkation Day means 3 things: crowds, waiting in lines, and usually some seriously hot weather. This little guy has literally saved our sanity so many times. There are tons of different portable fans out there, but we're going to show you 2 of our absolute favorites. You can get these gems at Marshall's, Ross, Amazon, or sometimes, and this is where it gets even better, at the Dollar Tree. Now the Dollar Tree ones are usually around $5, while the slightly bigger ones we love run about $8 to $10. But trust me, either way, you're getting amazing value. The battery on these lasts all day. They fit perfectly in your day bag, and honestly, it's like having your own personal air conditioner unit. While everyone else is fanning themselves with whatever they can grab, you're staying cool and comfortable. That's what I call smart cruising. Number 5. Portable chargers. Portable chargers. Listen, your phone will die on embarkation day. That's just cruise life. You're taking pictures of everything, using the cruise app to check in and explore, staying in touch with your group when you get separated in those crowds, and here's the kicker. Most cabins only have a few outlets. Having backup power isn't just smart, it's absolutely non-negotiable. Now, we've seen 3 main types of portable chargers out there. You can get the regular ones that look like this. They've got a couple of slots where you plug your cord in. But let me tell you about our absolute favorite. The chargers that have the different plug types already built right in. Now, these usually cost a little more, but here's why we swear by them. You don't have to worry about carrying 3 different cords for 3 different devices. The plug types are already built into the charger itself. Another way to handle this, if you already have a charger you love, you can grab one of the cords that has multiple plug types built right into it. This little trick would help keep the clutter down when you're trying to get settled in your cabin. And trust me, every bit of organization helps on the first day. I saw this one at Marshall's at the time of this recording. Work smarter, not harder. That's our motto. Number 6. Multi-port charging blocks. And since we're talking about charging, let's talk about multi-port charging blocks. Most cruise cabins have seriously limited outlets, and on embarkation day, everyone's trying to charge everything at once. Your phone, your partner's phone, maybe a tablet, a portable fan, you name it. This little game changer turns one outlet into more than 4, and it's so tiny it doesn't take up precious space in your cabin. Now, you can find these at Amazon or even Five Below depending on what exactly you need. The ones at Five Below are under $10 and have fewer charging spots, but honestly, they're perfect for most couples. If you need more power, Amazon has some options that are a little over $10 with more charging ports. Great if you're traveling with a group of friends or just have a lot of devices. Here's what we've learned after years of cruising. Cabin space is premium real estate, and outlet access can make or break your first day. This simple plug solves both problems in one shot. Smart cruising at its finest. Number 7. A water bottle. Staying hydrated on embarkation day is absolutely crucial. But let me tell you, buying water on the ship gets expensive real fast. Having a water bottle is a total lifesaver. It takes up practically no space in your bag but keeps you hydrated all day long. Plus, you can fill it up anywhere on the ship. Buffet, bars, you name it. Here's the beautiful thing about water bottles. There are so many varieties out there, and honestly, it really doesn't matter which one you choose. You got tons of options on where to purchase these. Amazon, your favorite store, any sporting goods store, Five Below, and Dollar Tree also carry them, which is perfect for our budget-friendly approach. With so many choices available, you can definitely find some great options under $10. The key is just having one with you. We've learned that dehydration can turn embarkation day from exciting to miserable real quick. This simple little item keeps you feeling great and saves you money. That's what we call a win-win. Organization and practical items. Number 8. Luggage Tag Holders. These plastic covers protect your tags from getting ripped off, and let me tell you, they're a huge convenience. You don't want to learn this the hard way when your tag is torn off during handling and your luggage takes an extra day to find you. Talk about starting your vacation off wrong. Picture this. You're ready to hit the pool on embarkation day, but all your swimwear and essentials are stuck somewhere in the ship's luggage system because your bag couldn't be found. Meanwhile, you're stuck wearing the same travel clothes and borrowing toiletries. Not exactly the cruise experience you paid for, right? $7 of peace of mind. Absolutely worth it. These simple plastic covers keep your tags secure and readable. No matter how rough the baggage handling gets, it's such a small investment that prevents a potential big headache. Sometimes the cheapest solutions are the ones that save you the most stress. Number 9. Carry-on luggage or dedicated day bag. A good carry-on bag or a dedicated day bag, because you absolutely don't need to put everything in your checked luggage. Pack your essentials, first aid swimwear, and all these embarkation day items in something you can easily access. Your checked bags might not arrive until evening, but you'll have everything you need to start enjoying your cruise immediately. You want something that will hold all of your stuff in one spot, and this is absolutely crucial. Think about it. You've got your portable fan, chargers, water bottle, flip-flops, all those Ziplock bags, and everything else we talked about. Without a dedicated bag, you're going to be juggling items, losing things, and getting frustrated right when you should be getting excited about your vacation. After cruising for a few years, we've learned that organization on Embarkation Day sets the tone for our entire trip. Having one designated bag where everything has its place means you can grab what you need when you need it, and you're not digging through multiple bags or pockets. It's the difference between smooth sailing and stressful scrambling. And for under $10, it's one of the smartest investments you can make. Hygiene and health basics. Number 10, travel size first aid kit. A basic first aid kit with band-aids, pain reliever, and antacids. You don't want to hunt down the medical desk on embarkation days for a simple headache. Having basic supplies right in your cabin is so smart. Number 11, travel size toiletries. Having your own travel size toiletries, shampoo, body wash, lotion. The ship provides basics, but having your preferred products makes such a difference, especially after a long travel day. Number 12, travel size wet wipes. Wipes for quick cleanups after traveling all day before you can shower. These are perfect for freshening up. I keep a pack in every bag. Number 13, hand sanitizer. Travel size hand sanitizer. Cruises means lots of touching surfaces and shaking hands. Having your own supply means you can clean up wherever you want. Bonus comfort items. Number 14, cheap flip-flops. Cheap flip-flops specifically for the ship, and I mean specifically for the ship. You don't want to wear your good shoes around wet pool decks, and trust me, those decks stay wet pretty much all day. These are perfect for embarkation day pool time, and honestly, you don't care if they get lost, damaged, or left behind. The thing is, they're always handy to have around, whether you're hopping in or out of the pool, running to the buffet, or just navigating those sometimes slippery deck areas. Having a dedicated pair of flip-flops is just smart. Sometimes the cheapest items end up being the most practical, and this is definitely one of those times. Number 15, Nightlight. Get a small nightlight for your cabin. Trust me on this one. Cruise cabins can be pitch black at night, and I mean seriously dark. The last thing you want is stubbing your toe trying to get to the bathroom at 2 a.m. This little nightlight makes such a difference for safe navigation without waking up your cabin mate. Now, you don't need to break the bank here. Getting a cheap nightlight or even a small flashlight from the Dollar Tree or Five Below will go a long way. Number 16, disinfectant spray or wipes. Have disinfectant spray or wipes for your cabin surfaces. And honestly, this has become even more important in recent years. I know the cleaning crew does their job and they do it well, but after a long travel day, I like to quickly wipe down the TV remote, door handles, and the light switches. It's such a simple step, but it can make all the difference in how comfortable you feel in your cabin. Smart cruising means thinking ahead, and this is one of those no-brainer items that just makes sense. Number 17, eye mask and earplugs. Bring you an eye mask and some earplugs for your first night, and honestly, for any time you need them during your cruise. Let me tell you, cruise cabins can be noisy. You've got people in hallways, doors closing, maybe some late night deck party music drifting down. You want good sleep to start your vacation, right? But here's something most people don't think about. After a long day of traveling, you might need to take a cat nap to rejuvenate, or maybe you want to chill on your balcony while you recoup before heading back out for some embarkation day fun. Having these simple items will help keep the noise down and actually help you rest, whether it's nighttime or a quick afternoon recharge. We've learned that cruise ships are bustling 24/7, And sometimes you need to create your own little bubble of peace. For under $6, you can guarantee yourself quality rest whenever you need it. Trust me, your future self will thank you when you're refreshed and ready to enjoy every minute of your cruise instead of dragging around tired. Bonus tips. Organization. Now here's the key. Organization. I pack all these items in a clear toiletry or Ziplock bag so I can find everything instantly. The worst thing is digging through your suitcase for 20 minutes looking for your charger while you're trying to get settled. Also, I keep duplicates of some items, like wet wipes and hand sanitizer in both my carry-on and my day bag. That way, no matter where I am on the ship, I have what I need. Shopping. Quick shopping tip. I get most of these items from Five Below, Dollar Tree, and Amazon. You can literally get everything on this list for under $100, and it'll make your cruise experience so much better. One more cool thing is you will be able to use most of these items on multiple cruises. Alright cruise family, that's my list of 17 Embarkation Day essentials under $10. Which ones are you definitely adding to your packing list? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cruise tips that actually work. We post videos to help you cruise smarter, not harder. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.